Akwa Ibom State Government has assured citizens that it is taking steps to investigate and address the recent case of maternal mortality in Ikot Ekpene General Hospital as part of efforts to safeguard the integrity of the health sector. The assurance was given on Wednesday by the Commissioner for Health, Dr. Ekem Emmanuel, when he appeared before the State House of Assembly Committee on Health to address issues affecting the sector, including the recent death of a young mother and her child during childbirth. Dr. Emmanuel urged citizens to remain calm and allow the investigative committee set up to probe the incident to conclude its findings before final decisions are made.
The governor has directed to set up a high-powered committee to investigate the matter. That committee would submit their reports to me, and then I would make a judgment of the committee and pass it on to the governor. Why then should I delve into the arena to pass judgment? My role really is to respond to what has happened, take steps to forestall a breakdown of law and order, ensure that we restore confidence to the system, and then ensure that justice is served not only to the bereaved family, but indeed to the society. Because the loss isn't only to the family, it is to the entire Akwa Ibom and indeed the entire nation.
Chairman House Committee on Health, Honorable Moses Essien, expressed concern over the poor state of some general hospitals in the state.
We are not ignorant of the proactive nature of His Excellency the Governor to also respond by setting up a 14 high-powered investigative panel in this same issue. It shows the level of every organs of government getting involved to get to the roots of the matter. And for those involved negatively, be brought to book. We charge you in this committee as an institution of government that oversight this ministry. I have to live to the expectation. Let people not criticize the governor that is not doing well. Only those that have been given the mandate to assist the governor, only said they have power to make sure that what you cannot do on your own, draw to the attention of the government, the governor. I know the governor will do it. So that's why we invited you.